spinning super fast, but we don't feel it. Why not? Let's learn! Earth spins like a giant ball in space. It turns one full time every 24 hours. This spinning is called rotation. Even though Earth is huge and heavy, it moves very smoothly. At the equator, you are actually moving more than 1,000 miles per hour. That is faster than a race car or even an airplane. So if we are moving so fast, why don't we feel anything? The reason is simple. The spinning is very steady. Earth does not make sharp turns or sudden stops. It keeps the same smooth speed all the time. Think about sitting in a car that is moving on a perfectly smooth road. If the car does not speed up or slow down, you feel almost nothing. You only notice motion when the car changes speed. Earth also moves this way, calm and steady, so our bodies cannot feel the spin. Another reason is that everything around us is moving with the Earth. The land, the oceans, the buildings, and even the air are spinning at the same speed as Earth. Because we all move together, nothing pushes against us, and we don't feel any spinning force. If you look up at the night sky, you will see the stars slowly moving from one side to the other. This movement is not because the stars are moving. It is actually Earth spinning under you. The stars are like a giant clock, showing that Earth is turning every second. Gravity also plays a big role. Gravity pulls us down toward the center of the Earth. This strong pull keeps us safely on the ground. Even though Earth spins fast, gravity is even stronger, so we don't fly off or feel unsafe. And remember, Earth is incredibly big. Because it is so huge, the spin feels gentle and soft to us. It's like being on a giant ride that moves quietly. The bigger the object, the smoother the spin feels. So even though we can't feel Earth spinning, the sky, the stars, and day and night. If you liked this video and want to learn more cool facts, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Subscribe to Brain Spark!